Assalamu alaikum, and in this video I will show you that a new free cat earning bot where you can earn cat every hour, and you can also take withdraw from here regularly, easily and authentically. I will teach you everything in this video. If you stay on the video, and you can generate a huge number of benefit from this website. First of all, I will provide a link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time. Just go on join crypto halter option, and you need to join this channel first of all. Then come to the website, and we have another one, that is join free set police. You also need to join this group to be able to take withdraw from this earning bot and start earning in this bot. And we have two YouTube channels available. You need to go on these channels, just click on third one option, that is YouTube channel, and here you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon to get notified yourself all upcoming latest video. And if you subscribe this channel successfully, then you can earn a free cat from this bot. And you can see that I already subscribed it, so I will come back. And you also need to join this earn a few bucks. Click on it, and you can see that you also need to join this channel to earn free cat from this bot. In this way, you also need to join second channel, YouTube channel, and we have last one, join we only earn crypto. Click on it, and you also need to join this group of Telegram to be able to start your earning in this website. Now come to the website and click on balance option. Now you can see that you will receive nothing by doing this one. And go on bonus option. If you go on bonus option, then you will receive 10 cats as a bonus after every 24 hours. And if you click on bonus option now, then you can see that you can claim 10 cat of bonus every hour. And if you invite any friend in this bot, then you can receive 350 Siemens cat from here, and you can also take withdraw these cats directly to your trust wallet. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now if you have any curious question about this earning bot, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you got benefit from here, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified yourself about my all upcoming latest video. Hopefully you like it, you love it.